Hello, in this PPSSPP video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your Windows machine to use it on this amazing PSP emulator. This is in response to a comment that somebody made on a recent video. I think it was on the BSNES HD, no, I think it was on an MGBA emulator video where I showed how to set up the controller, and they was asking, have I got something for PPSSPP? And I was like, yeah, I have. I had a look. I was like, I hadn't done a PS4 one. I'd done like an Xbox controller one and other stuff. I hadn't done a PS4 one. So I was like, I don't know why I didn't do one at the time, because that was a little while ago, but for some time to get done. So yeah, let me know if there's some that I don't have, and I'll get them done, especially with the main controllers. So yeah, it's pretty simple. No extra drivers to install. You have one of two options to connect this, either wired or Bluetooth. I'll be doing wired just because my battery is pretty much dead, and it connects and it turns on and off. The battery's dead, so I'll need to charge it. But I will show you how to connect it via wireless mode, so you have that covered. So via wire, you just plug a micro USB cable here, and the other end goes into your computer. You're all good to go. For wireless, you just need Bluetooth, and you can either go to the old devices and printers menu and click add a device, or use the newer menu for add Bluetooth or other device. And before we click Bluetooth, just put this into pairing mode. To do that, press the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time, and this will go into pairing mode. This light will start flashing really fast. There we go. It's in pairing mode. Go to Bluetooth, wireless controller. There you go. It's gone solid. And now what we can do is just click done. And yeah, so it's on at the moment, but I know my battery is low, so I'm gonna connect this up. It does turn off after a moment. I did do a bit of charge, but it wasn't enough, so this will help charge it as well. So what I'll do is, if we go to game, set up USB game controllers, two appear here because it's technically, ignore the name wireless controller. One is the Bluetooth version and one is a wired version. Doesn't really matter that there's two there, but I'm just gonna remove device. You don't need to do this, by the way. It's just me. And now I'll only have one because this will be the wired version. But you'll appear here if it's wireless as well. So you just go to properties. As long as the analog sticks and buttons are triggering events, you're good to go. Click OK, and that's it. Now we can just launch up PPSSPP. There's a zip file. Here we go. Go to game settings, control mapping, and just map each control. So let's say if I get rid of pad 1 and I click plus, click up on the D-pad. There we go. It's already been mapped by default, but you can go through and map them. Maybe for circle, you don't want circle, you want like X, for example. But by default, they've put circle as circle. So the mapping, honestly, is already done. There's not really much more to it, but you can map more. That's what I'll leave it as is. I'll click back. Let's run a game. And I've got Tekken 6 right here. Again, just want to say this video is not condoning piracy. Recommend that you own the game and a console as well for legal purposes. X, there we go. Should be able to skip this soon. Can't remember if you skipped this part or not. For some reason it's on the wrong. There we go. I was wondering why there was no audio. X, I mean, that's fine. I can just like move around, go exit, but that's it. We're all done. I'll do Mako Jin. You'll give me a little character to choose from. I'll have a go. I'll have one game, but really, it's done. We're ready to play. But you can end the video right now. I'm just going to play one game. I'm going to probably stay quiet, so I'm going to turn the volume up.
Round one. Fight. Round 2. Fight. KO. You win. Get ready for the next match.
So that's it. I've shut it down now, and there you go. There's not much more to it than that to connect up your PS4 controller to PPSSPP. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. There's a link in the description. We have a dedicated channel for PPSSPP, so I'll see you there. Bye bye. Have a good night.